Oh, what a great day! This is a lovely spring. This is the flowers in the air. I'm so dark of like the. I think my stomach's growling. Well, I think so. Where's Muno? I'm starving. Bobby and Fuva and Plague and Digiless Rock, they were gone. I think I wanted the breaking news right there. I'm really hungry. Let's see the babies. I think the pieces is not here. My growling sound just makes me so dark. I think I have to see some breaking news. Breaking news. It's baby.